Lady Falcons of Adamson warming up. And this is going to be a good one as they take on Lady Spikers of De La Salle University.
Mommy, Coach Dulce Pante, waiting for her turn.
Oh, that's Bagang again, Rochelle Bagang or Bagang.
But the ball falls in UE Sports, 9-5.
No luck here for the Lady Warriors. Oh, Rojas, from all the luck that she's had with her attacks, inalas ng konti.
Even that surprised her.
Natawa na lang siya, but you know, with all the points that she has contributed to the team, I guess she's
you're allowed a serve like that or two.
Losette down.
Pero para kay coach niya, syempre bawal yun. But for us spectators, it just goes to show, syempre may mga errors pa rin here and there.
Some of these girls, despite their athleticism, are human as well.
Morada gets it through.
Morada against two blockers. I mean, how amazing is that shot?
Very athletic. Maika Morada. What you like about her is that if you see her approach, the form is really impressive.
A nice Caballero getting it off the blocking hands of Bagang. So UE within striking distance still. 7 serving 10.
Good reception to Eulalio. Good thing it was still saved.
Ooh.
Rosale denied by Eulalio.
Emphatic block on Rosale. That's returned with interest right there for you. Take a look.
And look at that. And even here in the third set, we still haven't seen much from Rosale. We would think na ito parang warming up or nagpapainit lang, but still no signs of shift in terms of intensity dito kay Kite Rosale.
But no shortage of intensity from Vargas and the Lady Tams. They're pouring it on here. They're looking to pull away.
Service. Bagang.
The Lady Warriors definitely needs to regroup at this point. Again, this is a very crucial set. We're already on the third set. It's their last chance to possibly extend the game into a 5-set match and steal away the win from FEU.
Grace Masangkay to serve for the Lady
And with the way
Warriors.
FEU's been serving, there's always a chance for you to come back. Ano? May makukuha ka at least +4 points per set.
Pero kung on your end naman mag-error ka rin, so baliwala lang din yung error nitong FEU.
Oh, lucky break. Dizon, as all of the Lady Tams were a little on the front side of their court.
Service. Masangkay.
Napakante yung likod that time. And again, lumalapit na naman ang Lady Warriors here. Let's see if they can make a good run and all the way through. But tulad nga nasabi mo, Ann, bibigyan ka nga ng 4 points, so bibigyan ka rin ng 4. So it's pretty much even.
You're just returning the favor
Exactly.
to the other team. But in this case, hindi nila kailangan mamigay ng puntos. Especially since they're still down by 4.
Dizon through the blockers. But a free ball here from the defense.
Oh, and that's the last thing that we want to see as well. Yung na-set naman, hindi lang nagkaintindihan kung sino yung kukuha ng bola.
In that sequence, kanino ba dapat pupunta yun?
Well, I think in that play, both of them were at the back. Rosale.
So you think si Rosale dapat ang kumuha?
I think kay Rosale kasi and actually short yung bola. It was going to Dizon. But I think ito namang si Dizon, iniisip na kay Rosale.
Cross-court shot. 10-14.
Wasted points here.
You can't say though, Ann, na hindi pa sila magkakilala, no, masyado, because Masangkay's been playing with the team since last season. But you see that a lot in volleyball dito, no? Na the setter just throws it up, whether behind her or in front of her, and there's only one player who usually goes after it. They automatically know kung para kanino yan, ano?
Although that's right, but there are also some plays when dalawang tao yung pumapasok. So merong papasok ng back quick or maybe like a higher, mas mataas na patong sa likod, pero may mag-running attack. But in this case, but if you are to execute that, you have to make sure that nagkakaintindihan kayong lahat. The cues are okay, and you know your attackers know kung sila yung papalo or hindi.
Pero for the regular viewer, because obviously marami siguro nanonood na nag-iisip, so paano isisigaw ba ng setter yon? How do the players know na this is what's gonna happen? Yung combination, yung tinatawag natin ng combination na may tatakbo pero fake lang yon, yung isang titira sa likod.
A play is called out by the setter, and the attackers should automatically know already if they will hit the ball or not. Kasi dapat tama yung timing nila sa pagpasok. It means that you're not just approaching just for the sake of jumping or approaching, but your intention is to really attack.
Okay.
To 15.
UE still behind here. 12 serving 15. Haven't broken that 3-point barrier. That's the lowest the deficit has been for the Lady Warriors. Morada.
Morada was under the ball.
13 to 15.
Clear din, no? Yung angle ng bola, it was actually looping, so pataas.
A rare miscue you see from the veteran Maika Morada.
Bulang.
Now UE within 2. Let's see how FEU responds here. Vargas. Caballero. Vargas on the other side. Soft hit. Dizon. Off the block
through the hands
of Vargas, and point for UE.
Service. Bulang.
Medyo napadali yung buhay ni Dizon that time. Isa na lang yung blocker na tira for FEU at the net. Now UE within 1. 14-15. Caballero.
Another...
That was for the equalizer, pero she could not convert. 16-14 is the FEU lead going into this timeout.